We are here today with Jayne from Genome and this amazing professional Continental M8 machine. It is huge.
It is huge, yes.
And it comes with lots of different plates.
Yes.
I'm only used to having one with the sort of allows me to do zigzag.
No, we've got
this has got
ones.
lots of options because I see you're hiding them under there.
I certainly am, yes.
So tell me about them.
So we've got 3 needle plates with this machine, and it comes with all the professional range as well. I've got more than one needle plate, and we use them for different things, which we can go through now. But first of all, I want to show you how easy it is to change them on this machine. So we've got a little stylus here, so I'm going to lock it, and then I'm just going to press that, and it automatically lifts it out for us.
Oh my
So
goodness.
it's so much easier to change.
And that gives me an opportunity to clean it every time.
Yes, it certainly does. Yeah,
People
you can get in
forget.
there really well to clean it.
Okay.
So the first one and the standard one that we all tend to have on the machine is our zigzag plate. So you can see it's got the wide gap here. So that allows the needle swing for doing all our decorative stitches, and it also gives us really good positioning with a straight stitch.
Okay.
On these, we've got 91 different positions that we can have a straight stitch in. So that is a standard one that most people will be really familiar with.
Right.
So I'm going to give that one to you.
Okay.
And then the other one, which comes with a lot of the larger machines now, is this one, which is a straight stitch plate. And again, we can see here, we've got the 3 different
little
slots.
dots.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's brilliant for doing your 1/4 of an inch, this.
Okay.
So you've also still, because you've got little slot here, you've also got a little bit of room still to move the needle, so if you want to get it really precise, you can.
So you can move the needle position, can't you, with that?
And the wonderful thing with these is the machine knows which one we've got on, so it's not going to let us do a zigzag with this needle plate at all. So
the machine says no.
Yeah, exactly. So, and you'll be pressing buttons going, somebody's stolen all my stitches, which I've had on several occasions.
Oh, really? You won't break a needle.
This is very true.
Yes,
so that's the standard, that's a straight stitch plate, which a lot of people will be familiar with. I'll pop that one to. Now this one, the last one here, is I absolutely love this. The HP plate.
Yeah, I've
it's
seen
professional
these before,
plate.
HP.
It's got a single
hole
for the needle here, so it's fabulous. It gives a brilliant scant 1/4 of an inch for your piecing. It's also great. I use it if I'm doing curtains, anything like that. It almost looks like a professional machine.
And that will stop that, and the machine's eating
and
that little bit of fabric.
For stretchy fabrics, light fabrics,
lovely.
Everything like that.
Lovely.
It really is excellent. The thing is with this, I'm going to pop that on there. So of course, with the HP plate, we have specific feet that we use with it all the time. So we've got our standard one, which is this one.
That looks to me like a 1/4 inch foot.
Fabulous scant 1/4 of an inch with that. It really is a good
and a nice little hole in there.
Yep.
Super.
So we can do that. And it's just an excellent plate to use. I'm very keen on using this.
Professional.
Yes, certainly. And the other one that comes with it is our little single AccuFeed foot, which is fabulous for doing so many things. I leave that on a lot when I'm working with the HP plate.
Yes, I can see why.
Yeah.
Yes, be lovely.
It is. Yes. And we've also got on the plate, I'm going to move these out of the way so we can see here. All the plates are the same. I'm just going to pop the plate up so the camera can actually see this. But if you look, we've got lots of different markings on this plate, which is fabulous for quilting, 45, 60, 90, 120. So you can actually use those guidelines to sew your different angles.
And on this side, we've got the distances.
Yes, we have. So we've got the 5/8 and everything all on here.
Super.
So, and this is the same on all the plates, so they've all got that on them. The other thing which the HP foot is absolutely fantastic for is curve stitching.
Okay.
So I'm going to pop that down and show you a little bag. Here's one we made earlier.
So why does that help with the curved stitching?
Because it holds it really firm and it's a very narrow foot.
Oh, okay.
So we can see here, so you know, if you're doing something like this, it's an excellent one to use because you've got really good visibility. It holds it really well, and it just goes around your curves beautifully.
Going to say the holding, and it's beautifully straight to the edges. Yes,
yes. So it's really very versatile foot.
Yes, no,
very
nice.
versatile.
Very nice.
And the nice thing is the machine, as I said before, knows what we've got on it at any particular time. So it's coming up here and telling me that I haven't actually got a needle plate on the machine. So I'm going to pop the HP one on, which goes on literally just like this, and it's on. It's done. And it's always going to ask me what
press the foot
I need to know. So make sure I've got the proper press foot, straight stitch needle plate, so that's off.
Okay.
I can then take the lock off, and you can see it's greyed everything out. And on here, it's greyed all the other sections out. It will only let me come in and do a few stitches. So you're never going to damage your machine.
But we haven't got either of these 2 feet on.
No, I would put that foot on.
Oh, by choice, or
by choice?
The machine
when we came up before, it asked me to check I'd got the correct
yes,
presser foot.
Yes,
so
it did.
I would pop one of those on when I put that
But will
plate
it sew
on.
with this one on?
No, I wouldn't recommend it. No.
Okay.
Always use the correct feet.
Yes, so
one
of these two.
Yes.
One of these two to give you that professional finish.
Yeah, and the lovely thing is, again, which I didn't say with this one, the bottom plate will pull off, and we do actually have a zipper foot that goes on there.
Oh, wow.
So that's really, really handy. Say bags, anything like that, layers, it's fantastic to use.
Okay.
So it's just another dimension to your sewing,
and
which is fantastic.
Thank you very much, and we'll give you a professional look with no excuses.
No.